So we have exponents today. So exponents, if I have 3 to the 4th, that's what's called exponential form because you can hear the word right inside there, exponent. So I'm going to write it with an exponent, 3 to the 4th, expand or stretch it out like a rubber band. 3 to the 4th would mean 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So then for standard form, I would go through and multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And then to the side, I'm going to take 27 times 3, so 6, so that would be 81. Now here I have it stretched out in expanded form, or it's stretched out 7 times 7 times 7. So I'm multiplying 7, that's my base. How many times am I repeatedly multiplying 7? It's 1, 2, 3 times, so 7 to the 3rd. So I know 7 times 7, that piece is 49 times 7, so I'm going to go to the side again. 7 times 9, that's 63. 4 times 7 is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 343 will be 7 to the 3rd. All right, now I have 1/2 to the 5th. So 1/2, that every time you have a fraction or a decimal base, you always put it in parentheses. All the parts and pieces are to the 5th power. So that would mean 1/5 times 1/5 times 1, oh, not 1/2, sorry, times 1/2 times 1/2. So 1/2 multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So my answer, well, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 in the numerator, over 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, and then 16 times 2 would be 32. Okay, so I have 1/3 repeatedly multiplied, so my base is 1/3, that goes in parentheses, and I'm multiplying it 1, 2, 3 times. So 1/3 to the 3rd looks like 1/3 times 1/3 times 1/3. That's going to equal 1 times 1 times 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 would be 27. So 1/27th. And our last exponent here, 1/4 squared, means take 1/4 and multiply it 2 times. So that's going to equal 1 times 1 over 4 times 4. So 1/16th. And there's your exponents.